You all know that A+ content on Amazon is one of the most powerful things that can increase your sales and make your book page look extremely professional. And also, if you want to create an ad for your book on Amazon, you must have a professional video for your book. And you all know how much video creation costs. A video like this can cost hundreds of dollars. But today, I'm going to teach you how to create these images and videos very easily to support your product, whether on Amazon or anywhere else. Because if we go to Etsy, we'll also see that most sellers now add product videos to their listings. So how can we create these videos quickly, easily, and with high professionalism? Focus with me very carefully, and let's jump straight into the practical tutorial. We're going to go directly to the Kittl website, then we'll create a new design, and let's increase the design quality to 300 dpi for the best possible result. And I also want to thank the Kittl team because they gave all my followers an exclusive 25% discount on all plans, including the yearly plan. When you click the link I'll leave for you in the pinned comment and in the description, and use the code MOINCOMEYT. The beautiful thing about Kittl is that you can resize your design anytime by simply dragging one of the design edges. And also, from the panel on the right side, you can enter the exact dimensions you want with full precision. Now, let's move on to designing our first A+ content, which will usually be for the book cover. We want to create a strong, professional mock-up for the cover so it looks high-end and professional when customers see it. At the beginning, you will add your book front cover using this method. Then we will slightly increase the size of the front cover and place it in the center of the page. After that, there are two ways to create a book mock-up. The first method is that if we select this artboard, then click the blue dot on the right side of the page, you will find a mock-up option. If we click on it, many mock-ups will appear. Then we will search for book cover mock-up, choose the image we like the most, and simply replace the cover image on it using this method. But there is a much easier method, and this is the one I personally use. Let me show you. All I need to do is click the blue dot on the right side of the page, and you will see that Kittl has added AI video. This is a new feature and a big shift in video creation, and we will use it today to create a video like the ones we saw on Etsy and Amazon very soon. But for now, I want to design an image, so I will choose AI image. Then I will write here the description of the mockup that I want, and I will select the AI model that will generate the image. I will leave it on Nano Banana Pro, and in just 1 second, let's see the result. The mockup is more than amazing. It is a wireframe mockup, and the details are very precise. It didn't change anything in the cover. You can also add text freely on this image, and you all know that Kittl is famous for having amazing fonts. For example, if I go to the fonts section and add this beautiful font, I can write anything I want easily, like learn to write with numbers 1 to 100. And you also know that we can easily edit fonts inside Kittl. And now let's design another image so we can use it as A+ content. For example, a girl holding our book inside her playroom. All we have to do is add a new AI image, then write our prompt here and choose the image dimensions. I personally like using landscape ratio 3:2. After that, we click Generate Image, and in just 1 second from the first try, you will see that it created an amazing image that looks completely real. And I truly believe that this type of image will increase customer trust a lot. Also, you can post it on social media, and it will be perfect for Etsy. Now, we learned how to create images easily, but we are not done yet. We will create more images together. But like I told you, Kittl added the new AI video feature, and this creates amazing videos. So let's test. Will this be good for Amazon and Etsy or not? For example, this cover image. I want the book to rotate around itself in a realistic way. How do we do that? Very simple. All I need to do is add AI video, then choose the model that will create the video for me. Let's choose VO 3.1 Fast. And Kittl keeps adding more models over time. After that, you can add last frame here to control how the video ends. But I don't want to add it now. I will just write a very simple prompt here. I want the book to rotate around itself. And let's see the result. Now you will see that the result is very impressive. Before, we used to pay hundreds of dollars to create a video like this, just so we could post it on social media or use it in ads. But now, everything became much easier with Kittl. And what's even more beautiful and fun is that we can add text on this video and treat it like a normal artboard inside Kittl. You can add shapes, images, text, and many other elements and edit everything very easily. Now, let's move to designing another image so we can use it as A+ content. But this time, it will be from the inside pages of the book. I will add 2 pages from inside the book and make them slightly bigger. Then place them in the center of the page. After that, I will add, using the same method, an AI image, and I will ask it to create a mock-up design for an open book using these 2 pages. And in 1 second, it will create this amazing mock-up. If you want to make the background colorful, all you need to do is ask for a simple adjustment, and this amazing tool will do it for you. And you can edit it anytime exactly how you like. And just like before, we can add any text on the pages to make them look more realistic, like real information from inside the book. For example, on this page, I will write, "Learn to write numbers 1 to 100." And we can edit the text color, font style, and everything else exactly how we want. Now, one more time, so you fully understand the idea, let's create a video for this image. All we need to do is add AI video and ask it to make the book pages flip. And in 1 second, look at this beauty. But if you want the pages to be the same exact pages from your book, just add more pages to the design. Honestly, this is very fun, and I personally loved it a lot, and I will use it in my products on Amazon and Etsy. And after we finish the design, we will download all the pages and videos that we used. I hope you learned something useful today. See you in a new video, and goodbye.